Today I'm making a felt baby mobile with Aleene's Fabric Fusion glue. So first I planned out my design and I actually used a cutting machine to cut my felt, but you can definitely use just a pattern and some scissors if that's what you have on hand. So I started by applying my glue around my little mushrooms. I left an opening at the bottom because that's where I'm going to put the stem. I ironed for 30 seconds on each side. For the second part, I put glue underneath each of the dots that goes in my mushroom, and I did this as well for both sides. I noticed that some of my layers had shifted a little bit, so I took some scissors and just cut around those overlapping pieces, just so everything is nice and even. Next, I stuffed with a little bit of poly stuffing, added some glue to those seams, and sealed everything up. Make sure you press your iron down firmly. Next, I cut an even string for each of my mushrooms, and then I used a tapestry needle and I threaded that thread through and started piecing my items together. I had 6 pieces on this one, so I had 5 around the sides and then 1 mushroom going down the center. And here I'm just making a little loop, tying that off into another knot. That way we have a place to hang it, and then I'm cutting it. And because of Aleene's glue, this turned out to be a really simple project. And I love the way it turned out. What do you guys think?